real quick vacation haul. Yeah. Let me show y'all what I bought while I was on vacation. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl V here, and today we are gonna do a vacation haul. I did vlog my trip. Hopefully that's up before you see in this one. New here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Just to catch up, I went on a cruise, Carnival. And the cruise, it was 9 days, one of the two. We went to Belize, Honduras, and Cozumel. So let me show y'all what I bought while I was over there. Okay. While I was in Cozumel, we went tequila tasting, and this is the one that I purchased from the tequila tasting. It is so good. It is a peach. It's a peach liquor. Everything on here is in Spanish. So I don't know what it says, okay? I know this says consume before February 2027. That's what that says, right? It's tequila, it's peach. I got it when I went to tequila tasting. It has 18% alcohol volume. So we about to get lit. So next, we went to Chula's Beach Club, and we took shot glasses from them. Cause I mean, why not? Hello? But while we were there, we bought shot glasses. They're boots. Isn't that so cute? It says Mexico on this part, and then he engraved it for us, and I got fee, and I got me a square boot. Okay, isn't she so cute? It's a shot glass. And then on this side it says Cozumel. Cozumel. And then inside is the shot glass. Obviously you can you take it out? Maybe not, but yeah, it's a cute shot glass. And this is what I get from each place that I go to when I go out of town, is shot glasses. I mean, I can literally do a shot glass haul, as many as I have. I have literally like 20-30 shot glasses from places that I've been, but she's unique, she's cute, she's a boot, a square cream boot. Okay, look at the bottom, a boot. Okay, what does it say? Hecho a Mexico. I don't know what that means though. Can y'all see that? What that mean? Whatever. She's a boot, she's a shot glass, she's engraved, she's from Mexico. Okay, cute. Last thing I got while we were in Mexico are these sunglasses. Aren't they so cute? So they are Versace's. Look at the sides, super cute. And it does have the emblem on it. Right? Nothing on the inside. But she's cute, right? She's cute. Yes, they're cute. Yeah, I got these when I was there too. Okay, so Belize, I guess I should have started with this because I didn't really do a lot of shopping there because the excursion or the place that we went to took so long that we didn't have time. So I got shot glasses because this is what I pick up at every place I go when I go out of town. So we got this Belize shot glass. That's what she looks like. It's nothing on the back, it's just clear. And then I got this one. She's a beaut, right? Oh, this is so cute. It's like remnants of the Mayan ruins, which is the excursion that I went on. So cute. All right, so that's all I got from Belize because we did not have enough time to go shop. Let's move on to Honduras, which I love it there. Okay? Pack me up and send me over. I loved it over there. Okay, so first things first, we went to rum tasting, and they had different bottles of rum that you could try and rum cake. So what I got, big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag. I got some rum cake, okay? The flavor that I have is the tropical spice. It's like cinnamon and nutmeg, but they had a bunch of different ones. You're gonna have to go and look at the vacation vlog to see the place because I show like different cakes and stuff, but this is the one that I copped from the rum store, the Rotanin Rum Company. Yeah, this is the one I got from there. And then we also went to the cacao factory or chocolate store, aka chocolate store, and I got this. When I tell you their chocolate is so delicious, I've never had chocolate like that before, and I had to get me some. So they make chocolate bars at the store, and I got me a box. Life is like a box of chocolates. So I got a bunch of different chocolates. Flavors that I got, trust me, I got more than this. I ate a few. That's why I was like, let me hurry up and do this because they're gonna be gone and I'm not have anything to show y'all. Ones I'm gonna name first are in white chocolate. So we have cookies and cream. We have peanut butter. The dark chocolate is gonna be nibs and salt. Okay, dark chocolate, we have passion fruit. That's it for dark chocolate because the dark chocolate was dark chocolate. We know dark chocolate tastes different than milk chocolate, all right? So for milk chocolate, I got cookie chunk. This is the one that I'm currently feasting on right now. It is cookie chunk. And then we have walnuts and cranberry. That's what she looks like. Walnut and cranberry. Puffed rice. It's cocoa. Fine as cocoa. Waffle. And then this is just what it looks like. You get 4 little squares. You can see the squares. You get 4. Ooh, now I just ripped it. Well, I'm about to eat it anyway. You get 4 squares in each little bar. And then again, it was the Mayan chocolates made in Rotan. If you ever go to Honduras, you gotta stop there. So basically it's like a nut tree store. Again, it's in the vacation blog, but they have a lot of the nut tree items in there, like coconut, banana oil, honey, chocolate, all that things. So that leads me to my next thing. The next thing I got was banana oil, which is the handmade hair growth oil. Hair growth prevents hair. A lot of it got ripped off because I opened it already. But this is what it looks like. I got the OG banana oil. So yeah. So I got the banana oil for my hair and my eyebrows because I want to grow those back out. Lastly, you know how what they do on the cruise. You know, you can go to the jewelry store and all that stuff. So I have gotten 2 watches because I'm trying to get into watches. Okay, I'm trying to see what they talking about. So I got a silver watch. This is what the band looks like. Let me put it on for y'all. I'm putting this on, y'all. Tell me, if you are right-handed, are you supposed to put your watch on the left hand? And if you left-handed, are you supposed to put your watch on the right arm? Tell me in the comments because I'm right-handed, but I always put my watches on my right arm. Is that right? Or is that wrong? But look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? She's gorgeous. Look at that. Now we know she gonna stack well. This is a good watch for stacking, right? Just imagine little bracelets around it. She's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at her. Look at her. Right? Okay, so then I got a gold watch. So I got her next. She's cute. This is the band looks like. Cute, right? So yeah, this is what she looks like. Like, I think I need to take a link out. You see what I'm saying? Like, I feel like it should be a little snugger, but she's also a beaut. Look at that. Look at that. Also, I think she would look cute stacked as well, or I think she would look cute by herself. Like if you put bracelets on one arm and the watch on the other arm, I think this one could do both. Girl, you gotta stop playing. But listen, she's cute. She's a beaut. I definitely need to take a link out though, because she's a little too loosey-goosey. All right, y'all. But it's been real. That has been my little haul from my vacation. Let me know in the comments if y'all like vlogs and hauls and all that, because I don't be really vlogging like that. You know, I try. But once I get all the content, I be like, who edited all that? But I'm gonna do it for y'all. I'm gonna do it because you know what? It's 2025 and we just gotta explore more, right? We have to explore more and do more things with this here channel. So it's been real. It's your girl B. Let me know what you liked in the haul. Peace.